Safety and maintenance, two pillars of effective fleet management. After all, the well-being of your drivers and the longevity of your assets are critical to your business. The Safety Center is your mission control for managing risks, tracking your strides in reducing accidents, and flagging any unsafe driving behaviors. The data acts like a compass, pointing you towards the drivers who may benefit from further training and coaching. The video gallery is the central hub for viewing your fleet's recordings. Here, you can view videos related to events like speeding, distracted driving, or harsh cornering, as well as any video you requested for previous trips. The Maintenance Center is your one-stop shop to manage your key performance indicators. From here, you can stay on top of your maintenance schedule, identify which assets have the highest costs, keep organized with maintenance reminders, and much more. Visit us at geotab.com to learn more.